Good morning, viewers and listeners of FM show. Welcome back to another video that has been hitting headlines regarding the Kenyan political arena. So, according to the broad-based government, Raila was supposed to be in government and was supposed to support President William Ruto and give out a DP of the UDA party come 2027. But Raila is slowly, or the Agwambo man is slowly running away from the broad-based government. It's like Raila have noticed that there will be no good with this government, and the guy is trying to distance himself so that he can have a clean run come 2027. So on Saturday, Prime Minister Raila Odinga firmly stated that the ODM party is not part of President William Ruto's government. According to Raila, his deal with Ruto was to stabilize the economy and not about the 2027 general elections. The veteran opposition leader insisted that the Orange Party will field the candidate in all the seats in 2027. Orange Democratic Movement leader Raila Amolo Odinga has hinted at a political divorce with President William Ruto end of the 2027 general elections. The former Prime Minister's ODM party recently signed a memorandum of understanding that an MOU with Ruto's UDA party. However, in a change of heart, the veteran opposition leader said his political party will challenge the incumbent during the 2027 general elections. Speaking in Mombasa on Saturday, April, Raila publicly announced that the Orange Party will field a presidential candidates against Ruto. The former Prime Minister stated that his MOU with Ruto does not mean the ODM party has joined the Kenya Kwanza government. We bwana, munatupima sana. According to Raila, his deal was only meant to help the president to stabilize the government and the economy. Raila stated that when the election period comes, the ODM party will field a presidential candidate despite its deal with William Ruto. So Raila have seen that come 2027, Ruto will have a hard time vying for the presidency. And what does this man do? He goes ahead and starts giving us disclaimers that come 2027, don't be surprised to see Mr. Raila Amolo Odinga in the ballot box. I did not enter into this wending with the state to betray Kenyans. Kenya is bigger and more important than any individual. Kenyans must unite and work together, but during electioneering, ODM will also contest, Raila said. The former Prime Minister further dismissed claims that the ODM's agreement with Ruto is a betrayal of Kenyans, especially those who participated in the Anti-Finance Bill 2024 protest. According to Raila, the MOU with Ruto was for the sake of peace following youthland and governmental protest. ODM is not cooperating with the government to betray Kenyans, but to foster peace and create a conducive atmosphere for development until the elections in 2027. When election comes in 2027, ODM will field its presidential candidate, he stated. Meanwhile, the former Prime Minister criticized those behind the Ruto Must Go movement. Speaking in Machakos, Raila insisted that Ruto needs time to deliver on his promises to Kenyans. He explained that his deal with Ruto was crucial to help the Kenya Kwanza administration address key issues such as exploitative tax regime, high cost of living, and the inefficiency in the health sector, among others. He said that excessive and governmental activism hinders productivity and warned that the country will be worse off in 2027 if the current administration is consumed by political infighting and regime change efforts. The ODM leader advised the opposers of Ruto's regime to wait until 2027 when they can use the ballot to initiate the political change they passionately want. So Raila will be in the ballot 2027. And this means, you see, the Jaluos does not come out to vote if Raila is not on the table. So we expect a high turnout in the Luo land during the voting come 2027, and we expect a heated campaign come the year 2027, because Raila, the big fish, will be back in politics, and if he will not be there, ODM will produce its own candidate to stand and vie for the presidency to oppose the presidency of President William Samoei Ruto, who currently they are in bed with. So what do you think, guys? Leave a comment on a comment section. Share, like, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's meet in our next video.